Manifest your biggest miracles before Christmas. Imagine walking into the new year with everything you've ever wanted, whether it's love, abundance, or success, all just falling into place. The universe is waiting for you to make your move, and there's no better time than now. Ready to transform your reality before the holiday season ends? Get ready to unlock the power within you and experience the magic that's waiting to unfold. Let's make these miracles happen just in time for Christmas. Manifesting miracles begins with aligning your energy. During this time of year, the universe is filled with heightened energy, which makes it easier to manifest your desires. Take a deep breath, clear your mind, and focus on your intentions. The key is to open your heart and trust that the universe is supporting you in your journey. Positive thoughts and feelings are magnetic, attracting the miracles you are ready to receive. As you visualize your desires, feel them in your body. The universe responds to your emotions, so it's crucial to embody the energy of already having what you want. Whether it's financial abundance or a fulfilling relationship, feel the joy and excitement as if it's already part of your reality. This vibration will align your frequency with the miracles you wish to manifest. The more you focus on gratitude, the stronger your manifestations will become. The universe always answers with what you are vibrationally matched to. If you vibrate with gratitude, you're essentially opening the door to the abundance that is ready to flow into your life. When you align with abundance, miracles become not just possible, but inevitable. Make it a habit to affirm positive beliefs about what you deserve. Tell yourself that you are worthy of miracles and allow this belief to fill your being. And this is a powerful step in attracting what you desire, as your beliefs directly influence the reality you create. Setting clear intentions is a crucial part of manifesting miracles. Without a defined goal, it's challenging for the universe to respond to your needs. And by writing down your intentions for the upcoming holiday season, you're creating a roadmap for the universe to follow. Your intentions act as the GPS that guides you to your destination. When you set an intention, be specific. Visualize exactly what you want and hold the image in your mind. Whether it's a career opportunity, a new home, or healing in your personal life, see it clearly and feel the emotions as if it's already here. The more vivid the image, the stronger the manifestation. Intentions don't just involve asking for what you want. They involve the commitment to receiving it. When you state your intentions, you must also trust that the universe will provide. The holiday season is a time of miracles, and by asking for what you truly desire, you are giving the universe the opportunity to show you its magic. The universe is always listening, and the more you align your thoughts with your intentions, the faster they will manifest. Your thoughts are energy, and when they are focused on a clear intention, they create ripples in the universe that bring your desires closer to you. Visualization is a powerful tool that speeds up the manifestation process. As you approach Christmas, take a moment each day to visualize your desires already coming true. Picture yourself living in the reality you want to create, whether that's waking up in your dream home, enjoying financial freedom, or experiencing the love and connection you've always craved. The more you engage your senses in the visualization process, the stronger the energy becomes. Imagine the sights, sounds, and feelings of living your desired reality. This will not only heighten your belief, but also signal to the universe that you're ready to receive. Subliminal messages play a key role in visualization. By listening to powerful subliminal affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind, replacing any limiting beliefs with the belief that miracles are not just possible, but destined for you. The deeper your belief, the quicker your miracles will appear. The key to visualization is consistency. Every day, spend a few minutes focusing on your desires and allow yourself to feel the emotions of already receiving them. The more regularly you visualize, the more aligned your energy becomes with the miraculous experiences you're manifesting. Manifestation isn't always about instant results, and sometimes we must learn to trust the timing of the universe. Although it may feel like you've been waiting forever for your miracle to arrive, trust that everything happens in divine timing. The universe is always working in your favor, even if you can't see the results yet. The key to manifesting quickly is to stay grounded in patience. When you trust the process, you allow the universe the space to work behind the scenes. Sometimes the universe needs time to arrange everything for you in the perfect way. Trust that it's all happening as it should. And if you find yourself feeling impatient, take a step back and focus on gratitude. Acknowledge the progress you've made and celebrate the small wins. The more gratitude you show, the more quickly the universe will respond with even more miracles. This is the flow of manifestation: patience, trust, and unwavering belief in what's coming. As Christmas approaches, trust that everything you've been asking for is on its way. The universe is aligning the pieces, and it's only a matter of time before everything clicks into place. One of the biggest obstacles to manifesting miracles is doubt. When we doubt our ability to receive, we block the flow of energy that could bring us everything we desire. Letting go of doubt and fear is essential to manifesting at a rapid pace. The holiday season is the perfect time to release anything that no longer serves you, including self-doubt and fear. Start by recognizing the thoughts and beliefs that are holding you back. Are you afraid that your desires won't come true? Are you questioning whether you deserve to experience miracles? These thoughts are normal, but they can be released. And acknowledge them and then choose to let them go. You are worthy of receiving your dreams, and affirmations can help you release doubt and replace it with confidence. Affirm to yourself that you are deserving of miracles and that they are on their way to you now. The more you affirm your worth and your ability to manifest, the less room there will be for fear and doubt. As you release doubt, you'll begin to feel lighter, freer, and more open to receiving the miracles that are aligned with you. Trust that the universe has a plan for you and that your desires are being guided toward you right now. Gratitude is one of the most powerful energies in the universe. It creates an open channel for miracles to flow into your life. As Christmas approaches, take time every day to express gratitude for the things you already have and for the miracles that are on their way. When you focus on gratitude, you shift your energy into alignment with abundance. Gratitude opens the door to more blessings, more love, and more opportunities. By thanking the universe for what you already have, you send a message that you are ready and open to receiving more. Make it a practice to write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This simple habit will shift your energy and prepare you for even more miracles to come your way. The more grateful you are, the more quickly your manifestations will appear. This holiday season, let gratitude guide you to the miracles you've been waiting for. Trust that everything you desire is already on its way, and be thankful for the abundance that surrounds you right now. At this point, you may feel a sense of anticipation as you've done the work of aligning your energy, setting intentions, visualizing, and releasing fear. Now it's time to let go and trust that the universe will bring everything to you in perfect timing. Sometimes the best thing you can do for your manifestations is to allow space for the universe to work its magic. The more you try to control the process, the slower it may be. Trust that your desires are already being manifested. When you let go of the need to control the outcome, you allow the universe to surprise you with exactly what you need. Christmas miracles often arrive when we least expect them. Focus on enjoying the holiday season and the miracles already in your life. The more joy and peace you bring into your daily experiences, the more likely your manifestations will come to fruition. Believe in the process and trust that your desires are on their way to you. Allow the universe to work behind the scenes, knowing that everything is aligning for your highest good. You are on the verge of receiving the most incredible gifts this season. As Christmas approaches, you have the opportunity to manifest extreme miracles into your life. By aligning with the universe, setting powerful intentions, visualizing your desires, and releasing fear and doubt, you are creating the space for extraordinary miracles to appear. Trust that everything you've asked for is already on its way. Keep believing in the magic of the season and the miracles that await you. The universe is always working in your favor. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more manifestation tips and inspiration. Stay aligned, stay grateful, and watch as your life transforms with miracles before Christmas.